to my channel. And so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a simple, cheap, protective style. And if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Before we start this video, one, I'm not a hairstylist. I don't do hair. I can barely comb my hair, let alone put it in a damn ponytail. So for me, this hairstyle was, you know, a big accomplishment because y'all, I don't do my hair. I really don't. So basically, I'm saying if I can do it, you can do it. Okay. Anyway, so let's just jump into the video. So here I've already detangled my hair, and now I'm just applying some castor oil and some argan oil all over my scalp. Alright, so now I'm just splitting my hair into two big parts, a part at the top and a part at the bottom. Alright, so we're starting with the bottom section. I'm just taking my finger and I'm sectioning across. As you can see, it's not perfect, to let you guys know that these parts don't have to be perfect. Okay, so now I'm just going through my hair, sectioning, applying some jam, and, you know, doing the rubber band method. So that's what I'm doing here. Alright, right here I'm showing you my rubber bands that have been dipped in olive oil to keep my hair from breaking off in these rubber bands. Alright, now I'm just showing you guys my pre-sections with the rubber bands. They're not perfect, so yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to actually show you guys how I did the crocheting method. So right here I'm just going to loosen up my hair in the rubber band in order for the hair to go through, if that makes sense. Now I'm just taking 2 to 3 pieces of the Cuban twist hair, just depending on how big you want it. You can do 3 to 4 pieces. You're going to take those 2 to 3 pieces and kind of wrap them around your finger. Oh, well, first off, you need to take make the ends fray, if that makes sense. Okay, now you're gonna wrap it around your finger, stick one finger like I do in there, and just pull it through. I really don't know how to explain it in words, but just watch what I'm doing. You just pull one side through all the way. Okay, then you're gonna take your hair and tighten the rubber band up, back up, you know, get it nice and snug, nice and tight, you know. Okay, then you are going to begin to twist. Split your hair and the Cuban twist hair down the middle and twist away from your face. So because this was my first time attempting this hairstyle, I had to go back and retwist all of these, and I'll show you that in a later clip. If you guys just keep watching, because I didn't like how big they turned out. But yeah, just keep twisting. So here I'm just showing you guys again how I crocheted the Cuban twist hair in. And listen, if you're worried about my armpit, listen, you in my business? Yeah, don't do that. So this is how it came out at first, and like I told you guys, I wasn't satisfied with how they came out, so I went back and retwisted. So here I'm just showing you guys how I went back and untwisted all of these twists, and I twisted them a little tighter than I did the first time. So that's what I'm doing here. And here I'm just showing you guys again, me untwisting and twisting a little bit tighter. I'm still twisting away from the face. So this is how they came out. Now I'm gonna add some beads and whatever else accessories that I want to, but I really love how this hairstyle came out. It was really simple, quick, especially for someone who doesn't know how to do their hair. Yeah.